Hello, today we're going to change the fuel filter on a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. And this yellow fuel filter, just slide it out. And just pull the fuel filter up. And pull it out slowly. So we got the fuel filter up. This is the Mercury inline fuel filter. So there's an arrow on the fuel filter. You want to have it facing down. You got a red tab on the hose. You'll push that in. There's one on the bottom one. You'll push that in to take it off. Keep a good grip on the hose so you don't lose, so the hose doesn't fall back down into the motor. Just take it off. Oop, there you go. You're gonna lose a little bit of fuel. Put the new one on. Put the holder on. That's all there is to it. Just 2 snaps pretty quickly. And just put it back in. Make sure everything's tight. Just push it down in the hole. That's all there is to it. Mercury did a good job making this pretty simple maintenance that you can do yourself. So there it is, fuel filter's changed. A few minutes, you're back on the water. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out.